back to the Fortitude Fix. I hope you're well. So today I wanted to go through what's inside my August box from the ring boxes. Okay. So, the card. Congratulations! We have 2 recipe cards. Cauliflower buffalo bites. And this one is sheet pan pineapple ham. So it'll tell you what the recipe is for the bride-to-be. This one says for the perfect date night. Of course you can use these recipes whenever you want. Okay. Oh, a shirt. What does it say? Oh, it's a black V-neck that says Mrs. I love it. Yes. Okay, so this box for August was a little heavy, and I realized what that means since I've been doing this subscription service. It means I got a mug. So here's the mug. What does it say? Wifey for lifey. Yes, honey. Oh, scratch. Yes. So this is actually really true. So something that's really cool about my fiance and I, we talk about getting married and staying married. So wifey for lifey. Okay, what is this? So it's a square. Oh, it's another. Do you remember? I think in my last video, in my last unboxing, there was a bath bomb. So this one is a eucalyptus shower steamer. So I'm guessing you put this in the shower and it like, I don't know, I'm gonna try this out and I'll let you know. This is, again, vegan, non-GMO, for nourishing and relaxation. I need that. It's 100% natural, so I'm excited about that. All right, what else? So there's a ton of this because I'm sure of the mug. Okay, cool. From Miss to Mrs. Let's see if I can take it out for you. It's a necklace. Maybe I should have done this before I started filming, but y'all know me, I don't look at these beforehand. I open this with you. All right, I got it. From Miss to Mrs. It's a gold necklace that says Mrs. M-R-S. Y'all see that? It's like a rose gold type color. That's pretty. And one more thing is in here. A sash. Ooh! It's a sash. Oh, yes! It's a sash for like bachelorette stuff. It says bride-to-be. Okay. You hear that, bridesmaids? You don't have to buy one. I got it already. All right. Okay, that's it. I always double check the card to make sure I see everything that was supposed to be in here. Oops, because there's just a lot of this stuff. So, all right. I got the bride-to-be sash, the Mrs. necklace, the wifey mug, the V-neck, and the shower steamer. Thank you all so much. I'm gonna go ahead and just clean up this mess. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you right back here real soon on the Fortitude Fix. And you already know what's up. Remember to always, always fill your cup.